Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. At first, I would like to thank my honorable class teacher who gave me the opportunity. Actually, our presentation topic was five-star restaurant and the duties and responsibilities of their employees. So we choose Westin Dhaka. Actually, we are working on Westin Dhaka's restaurant portion. I am Mashur Alam Siam, bearing the ID 2019-2050, and I would like to introduce all of my group members. Here's Fatematul Johura, MD Shoag Hussain, MD Jahidul Islam, and Shojib Hussain. Now, the Westin Dhaka. The Westin Dhaka is the first generation renowned hotel. The mission of Westin Dhaka being under the strong supervisor of Starwood Hotel and Restaurant Worldwide, which had its soft opening on 31st July 2007 with 100 rooms in operation. The owner of Westin Dhaka is Unique Hotel and Resort Limited. The hotel is officially opened on the 12th September of same year. The location of Westin Dhaka. It is conveniently located within the prime diplomatic and commercial zone of Gulshan. Nestled in the new business district. Westin Dhaka 5-star hotel is situated on the main Gulshan Avenue, plot number 1, road number 45, Gulshan 2, Dhaka 1212 Bangladesh. The restaurant of Westin Dhaka. Guests can enjoy the unique experience on the numerous restaurant of the favorite of ingredients including preparation from live cooking section. In Westin Dhaka, they have standard restaurant and bar. These are treats, seasonal treats, splash, pargo. Organogram of Westin. Here's general manager, assistant manager, executive chef, sauce chef, pastry chef, kitchen manager, food and beverage manager, line cook, fast food cook, short order cook, prep cook, sommelier, server, runner, bus person, hostess, bartender, barback, barista, drive-thru operator, cashier and dishwasher. Now the job description of every position and job specification in detail below. General manager is only one in here. Job description. General manager play a key role in every restaurant. They are responsible of hiring applicant, letting employee go, trains new hires, observing general restaurant activities, and their job requirements is excellent people skill, cool under pressure, may require 2 to 4 year degree and experience. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum sir, this is Fatematul Johura and my ID is 2019-2045. I am from the group 4. As our team leader said, we have chosen Westin Dhaka for our group presentation, and my part is from assistant general managers. Basically, there are 2 assistant general managers in Westin Dhaka restaurant. We are working on only restaurant portion only. They are second in common but not less in important. They assist the manager with training duties, help with scheduling, overseas employees. They have some skills like they are very cool under pressure. They have super communication skills with the customers. They feel in if the manager has a day off. The first position of the restaurant Westin is the executive chef. There is only one executive chef in Westin restaurant. His duties and responsibilities are more like he plans and directs food preparation. He modify menus or create new ones. He always keeps time and payroll records. He maintains positive and professional approach to the customers and his co-workers. He recruits and manage kitchen staff's activities. He supervise the kitchen. He has some skills like he has the ability to work under pressure. He has excellent organizational skill, communication skill. He has solid experience. He gets 4,500 taka per hour. The second position of this restaurant is sous chef. They have 2 sous chefs in the restaurant. They solve problems that arise. They monitor and maintain kitchen equipment. They take order from food suppliers, they prepare food, they train new employees, they help in the design of food and drink menu, they schedule staff shifts. They also have some experience on skills like excellent organization skills like the executive chef. They have appropriate culinary education. They have the ability to work under pressure. They get 3,500 taka per hour. Then it comes to the pastry chef. In the Westin, there are 3 pastry chefs. Uh, they prepare a wide variety of goods such as cakes, cookies, pies, bread. They create new and exciting dessert to renew their menus and engage the interest of customer. They decorate pastries using different icing, toppings to ensure the presentation will be done. They get 3,000 taka per hour. They have some skills like excellent organization skill, ability to work under pressure, appropriate pastry education, as they are the pastry chef in the restaurant. After that, it comes to kitchen managers. There are 2 kitchen managers in Westin restaurant. They manage kitchen staff and coordinate food orders. They schedule kitchen staff shifts. They order food supplies and kitchen equipment as needed. They establish portion sizes. They check food plating and temperature. They supervise food preparation and cooking. They get 2,500 taka per hour. They have some communication. They have communication skill, organizational skill, problem solving skills, and previous management experience. And that's all from my part. Thank you for this opportunity. And now it comes to my next fellow member. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Shoaib Hussain bearing ID 20192051, a group member of Best Solutions. Our presentation is on Westin Dhaka and restaurant part. I am presenting my slide. First one is position, food and beverage managers. I am describing his job responsibilities, and his job responsibility is plan and forecast and execute food and beverage orders, process customers' complaints patiently, plan alternative recipes for customers' special needs, check foods and beverage supplies orders when needed. Second is line cook. There are 4 line cooks in this restaurant. His job responsibility is sets up and stocks food items and other necessary supplies, prepare foods items by cutting and chopping, mixing and preparing sauces, cooks foods items by grilling, frying, sorting and other cooking methods to specified recipes and standards. Next one is fast food cook. His job responsibility refers to recipes in order to prepare items in accordance with the specified instructions, and cook burger patties and sandwich meats by grilling or frying them, decorate plates and platters by arranging food and side orders on them in a pleasing manner, ensure the proper cleanliness and sanitations of kitchen areas on a regular basis, take and comprehensive orders for fast food items such as pizzas, burgers, and sandwiches. Next one is preparation cook. He is actually known as a junior cook in a restaurant. He performs job routine kitchen tasks, follow the preparation list created to plan duties, label and stock all ingredients on shelves so they can be organized and easily accessible, measures ingredients and seasonings to be used in cooking, prepare cooking ingredients by washing and chopping vegetables, cutting meats and other meal preparations. That is all from my presentation. Thank you very much. The next slide will be continue my next group member. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Zahidul Islam 2019-3049. First of all, thanks our honorable teacher to give us the opportunity to present our topics through online. Now I am going to start my presentation. Responsibilities of server. Prepare restaurant tables with special attention to sanitation and water. Attend to customers upon entrance. Present restaurant menus and help customers select food beverages, take and serve orders, answer questions or make recommendations for complimentary products. Responsibilities of food runner. Delivering food orders from the kitchen to customers' tables rapidly and accurately. Acting as the point of contact between front of the house and back of the house staff. Communicating food orders to chefs, paying attention to priorities. Responsibility of pusher or bus persons. Prepares dining room for patrons by cleaning and clothing tables, setting decorations, condiments, candles, napkins, service, plates and utensils. Protects establishment and patrons by adhering to sanitation and safety policies. Maintains menu presentation by keeping menus clean, replacing damaged or soiled pages, cleaning chalkboards, lettering specials on chalkboards. Maintains table setting by removing courses as completed, replenishing utensils. Responsibility of hostess. Welcome guests in a warm and friendly manner. Ascertains their dining, lodging needs, seat guests and manage the seating served. Monitors restaurant activity to determine setting and dining flow. Response to guest inquiries and requests in a timely, friendly and efficient manner. Responsibilities of bartender. Preparing alcoholic or non-alcoholic beverages for bar and patrons. Interacting with customers. Taking orders and serving snacks and drinks. Assessing bar customers' needs and preference and making recommendations. Responsibilities of barback. Tidy up tables, counters and other bar areas. Collect empty glasses and bottles. Restock the bar with straws, coasters and napkins. Prepare mixers, juice and cocktail garnishes. Replenish peanuts and fruits. Sends out bar cakes and replace liquor bottles. Thanks. Now I am welcome my next presenter to submit her presentation.
Hello everyone, myself Rajiv Hussain, ID 20192058. Now I will continue this presentation. Barista, they basically serve hot and cold drinks for the customer like as tea and coffee. Also cleaning service and sitting area sanitizers. Drive-through operator, they basically take order from the customer and ensure the order delivery the customer. Cashier basically handle the cash and other account related work like as credit transaction and other thing, and also they collect payment from the customer. Dishwasher basically work for cleaning. They ready the kitchen for the next shift and also clean the all equipment like as pot, table, pan and other thing. Recommendation. Actually they are international standard restaurant, maintaining their international standard. Their review is very good, so there is no recommendation from us. Conclusion. The Western Dhaka is a new 5-star hotel and it's located is a prime diplomatic zone area beside embassy, high commission and multinational office and shopping mall are the within easy walking distance. That's all my part. Thanks for listening.
Now the individual part of the presentation. I'm Masroor Alam and bearing the ID 20192050, and I'm going to work with Chill Out Cafe. And introduction. A restaurant is a place, actually a business place, where the food and drinks are served to customers. Meal are generally served and eaten on the premises, but many restaurants also offer takeout food delivery service. About Chill Out Cafe. Chill Out Cafe is one well-known restaurant in Commerce College area. It established in 2017 by Shahriar Imon. Shahriar Imon is the owner of the restaurant and he is the single owner business. Chill Out Cafe is special for various types of drinks, Subway sandwich, and rice balls. Address: it's situated beside the Commerce College, Dhaka Mirpur 2. Anyone can easily find it in Google Map, and it's open from 10 a.m. to close near 10 to 11 p.m. Food items in Chill Out Cafe. There are more than 60 food items in Chill Out Cafe. They are also provided as per customers' requirement or out of their menu. Its meals are available inside their kitchens. They provide various types of rice, biryani, curry, fried drinks, snacks, burgers, Subway sandwich, pasta, chow mein, and salad. Employees in Chill Out Cafe. Actually, Chill Out Cafe is very small place. There are 4 employees, including owners, working in Chill Out Cafe. They are main chef, assistant chef, cashier cum waiter, and manager. Actually, manager is the owner. Their duties and responsibilities. Main chef's duties and responsibilities are I'm going to describe below. Cookings, the items which are ordered by customers, making various types of drinks, responsible for planning of menus, managing all inventory of kitchen, and his salary is 25,000 taka. Assistant chef. Main work is helping the main chef complete the task assigned by main chef. Absent of main chef, he is playing the role of main chef, cleaning the plate, glasses, and other stuff of kitchen. His salary is 50,000 taka, 15,000 taka. Cashier cum waiter. Write down the whole day's sales amount, sometimes handle the cash absent of owner, serve foods of the customers, clean the floor and tables, and his salary is 8,000 taka. Manager. Manager is actually the owner. Manager manages the whole restaurant, assign the task of his employees, manage inventory of kitchen and shop, all items from market, manage and handle cash, asking the customer for review and listen their recommendation, serving food to the customers and also takes order to them. Also responsible to calculate VAT. He don't take salary because he only take profit from here. My recommendation: their food quality is very good, so I don't wanna talk about their food quality, but they should not change their shape in some months, because they change their shape is major issue of change their food taste, and also they must have serve the food quickly because they take much time to serve food. Conclusion: Chill Out Cafe is one of the student and budget friendly restaurant in this area, and their food is fresh and good. Thanks everybody. Thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Shoaib Hussain, ID 20192051. Welcome to my individual presentations on restaurants job description and compensation package. As for the task, I have visited local restaurants, and the restaurant's name is Bismillah Hotel. Bismillah Hotel, and I found their job staffs and their job responsibilities. This hotel is situated in Ulail in Savar. Mr. Abdul Rahman is the owner of this hotel, and his son, his sons Rakib, mainly run this business, and there are a lot of staffs working in that hotel. This is the organogram of these restaurants. There is a few staff in this hotel, as it is local, so it is small. And the first one is owner, and then manager. Manager is actually owner's sons, Rakib, Mr. Rakib, and then assistant managers. There are 4 waiters, 2 chefs, and 2 assistants also. What we can what we get from this restaurant, we actually get from paratha, tandoori roti, moong dal, urad dal, kalija khashi, beef khichdi for breakfast, and for lunch, bhorta vegetables, chicken chal fry, plain rice, all kind of item they are providing to the customers. What is the job description for assistant manager? He is actually responsible for day-to-day hotel operations, responsible for maintaining high level of customer satisfaction and service, efficiency, delegate jobs and responsibilities below hotel staff, other staff, communicate with the owner to ensure effective running of the business as well as customer satisfaction. Waiters take the order from the customers and delivery food on time. Responsibility to look after the customers who need anything. Clean table after before the customer leave the place. What is the job description of chefs and his assistants? Responsible to cooking all the items as per the hotel menu list. Supervise the assistants how to cut, cook, which item is needed, how much, etc. Totally responsible for the taste of his of the items in menu list. Clean the dishes by the assistants. What is the compensation package for these employees? Monthly 18,000 taka for the assistants and assistant managers, 12,000 taka for chef, for each chef, 6,500 taka for waiters and chef assistants. 2 festival bonus, 50% of the gross salary, 2 times food get from the hotel, breakfast and lunch, and additional income like customers tips. All the customer tips is distributed at the end of the month to everyone. Accidental allowance, if accident occurs in the working time in the hotel, they will get something, some accidental allowance. Yearly increment 5 to 10%. They have been given, they are given uniform for conducting in the restaurants to serve the customers. Suggestion: actually there is no leave policy. For this reason turnover rate is high and there should be minimum leave for them because everyone needs leave emergency. There is no maternity leave system. It can make them loyal to the hotel, or especially maternity leave is actually for women, so they can work in this hotel if there is the option. They can provide dinner for night also. This motivate them. Attendance bonus may be given. Arrange recreations for the hotel staff like picnic, etc. This help them to be loyal for the restaurant. That is all for my presentation. Thank you very much.
Now I am going to start my individual part. Name of the restaurant: Kitchen Tour Restaurant. Address: T-Side, Shana Market, Nobinagar, Sabar. Organogram: top position, exist, owner, that means manager. Under manager, accountant, executive officer, HR and admin, and marketing officer exist. Under executive officer, purchase officer, cooks, waiters, delivery service man, home, and business guests, boys and girls, dishwashers are available. Restaurant manager responsibilities: recruiting, training and supervising staff, agreeing and managing budgets, planning menus, ensuring compliance with licensing, hygienic and healthy and safety guidelines, promotion and marketing the business, overseeing stock levels, handling customer inquiries and complaints, taking reservations, ratings and advising customers, problem solving, preparing and presenting staffing, sales reports, keeping statistical and financial records, etc. Restaurant accountant job responsibility: general bookkeeping, financial reporting, financial analysis, recording sales, taxes, payroll, prime cost analysis, auditing, budgets and forecast, bank accounts reconciliation, monthly reporting. Service officers responsibility: set up food service, kitchen or salad area facilities, convey food and supplies from the main kitchen, follows prescribed procedures in setting up hot and cold food lines, ice creams, yogurt, and ice or machines. Prepare or assist in the preparation of hot and cold meat and vegetables dishes. Serves food items to customers from counters and stream tables. Replenishes food, silverware, glassware, dishes, and tries at serving station. May order and replenish condiments. May perform cashing duties as required. Perform miscellaneous job related duties and assigned. Waiter responsibilities: prepare a restaurant table with special attention to sanitation and waters. Attending to customers upon entrance to the restaurant. Presenting menu, serving and helping customers select food beverages, take and serve orders, answers questions or make recommendation for complementary products, collaborate with other restaurant server and kitchen bar staff, deal with complaints or problem with the positive attitude, issues, bill and accept payment. Admin officers job responsibility: secure premises and personnel by patrolling properly, monitoring surveillance equipment, inspecting building equipment and access points, permitting entry. Maintain environment by monitoring and setting building and equipment controls. Maintain organization's stability and reputation by complying with legal requirements. Contribute to team effort by accomplishing related issues as needed. Ensure the security, safe and well-being of all personnel, visitors and the premises. Provide excellent customer service. Adhere to all company services and operating standards. Protect the company's asset relative to theft, assault, fire and other safety issues. Compensation package: pick and drop facility, yearly increment system, yearly performance bonus, 2 with bonuses as per organizational rule, attractive monthly salary package. Salary range gross. As per job position, suppose manager, salary range around 35,000, accounts officer around 18,000, HR and admin officer around 22,000, executive officer 26,000, purchase officer 18,000, security officer 15,000, around service welfare 12,000 and cooks around 15,000. Recommendation: there is individual KPI policy, so they can implement KPI basis incentive policy. There is no customer database and customers feedback system, so management can start to introduce customer data bank and collect service feedback system. There is no proper performance appraisal system, so management can implement a best performance appraisal system. There is no individual job description as per practical work, so they can maintain formal specific job descriptions. Thanks from my presentation. Now I will invite my next presenter to present his slide.
Hello everyone, welcome again. Now I discuss about my individual part. I choose a basically roadside restaurant. It's called Khaddaloy. It's located at Dhanmundi. There is several posts in Khaddaloy like a CEO, marketing manager, head of IT, chef and waiter. Compensation package of Khaddaloy. They offer financial compensation and non-financial compensation for their employee. Financial compensation, the organization provide the financial facility to the employee for doing their job in organization, such as wages, salary, incentive and other thing. Non-financial compensation is like as dignity, recognition and social status. Recommendation: to increase the restaurant space, serving fresh food, a reasonable price rate and offer student package, and also increase their payment system like as included bikash or nogod, and increase food quality as per price. uh, Thanks for listening. That's all my part. Thank you everyone.
For my individual presentation, I have chosen Peri Pasta. It is the best place for pasta in Mirpur area. It is situated in Mirpur 2. It was established in 2015. The owner of Peri Pasta is Mir Shams Mehdi. Here we will get new dimensions of food. We will get more than 34 items in Peri Pasta. They provide different types and flavors of pasta like hot cream pasta, cheesy panic, boom blasting pasta, and so on. They provide different types of crusher like orange crusher, mango crusher, Kit Kat chocolate crusher, vanilla crusher, chocolate crusher. Moreover, they provide imported French fry, Chinese set menu, peri chicken, sub sandwich as well. There are 6 employees in Peri Pasta, including the owner. The first one is main chef or head chef, then the second chef, beverage chef, cashier, server, and the owner himself. The first position of this organization or restaurant is the main or head chef. He has so many responsibilities as he is the head chef in this restaurant. He sets up the kitchen with cooking utensils and equipment like knives, pan, and kitchen skills. He ensures compliance with all the health and safety regulations within the kitchen area. He studies each recipe and gather all the necessary ingredients. He monitors food stock and place orders. He cooks food in a timely manner. He supervises cooks and assists as needed. He monitor food stocks and place orders. He checks freshness of food and discard out of the date items. He delegates tasks to the kitchen staff. He has so many skills as he is the head chef of this restaurant. He has knowledge of checking freshness of raw foods. He has superb communication skill, interpersonal skill, excellent public relation skills. He has outgoing and dynamic personality. Uh, he is polite, courteous, and professional with all the customers and his colleagues as well as his supervisors. He has experience as a head chef and alongside with other cooks. He has experience working in a wide area of working environments. His salary is 25,000 taka. Then it comes to second chef. His main duties are to assist the main chef, to assist in the preparation of the lunch, in the preparation of sweets. He maintains the standards of the food preparation and maintain the kitchen hygiene issues. He prepares the garnishes that will be the part of the main meal and as well as the sweet courses. He also has some skills like he has the ability to work under pressure. He has the ability to work as a team or individually in the kitchen. He can work in various shifts like morning shift, night shifts. His salary is 18,000 taka. Beverage chef. There is only one beverage chef in Peri Pasta, so he has also so many responsibilities like the head chef. He manages all food and beverage and day-to-day operations within the budget guidelines. He report on management regarding sales report and productivity. He comply with all the health and safety regulations. He design exceptional menus, purchase goods, and continuously take necessary steps to improve the restaurant. He identify customers' needs and responds proactively to all of their customers. He also has some experience and skills as he is the head chef as he is the head beverage chef in this restaurant, so he has proven food and beverage management experience. He has guest oriented and service mind. His communication and leadership skills is up to date, and he always tries to up to date with food and beverage trends and best practices. He mastery and delegated multiple tasks. His salary is 15,000 taka. Then it comes to cashier. He basically sits in front of the restaurant and collect orders from the customer, collects money from the customer. He handles merchandise returns and exchanges. He greet customer while entering and leaving the restaurant. He issues receipt refunds and changes. He scan foods and ensuring pricing is accurate. He track transaction on balance sheet and report any discrepancies. He has some experience in a retail shop as a cashier. He is good at math. He has basic knowledge of PC. He has a strong communication skill with the customer as he interacts with the customer. His salary is 18,000 taka. Then it comes to the server. His main duties are to greet and escort the customer to the tables. He carries dirty plates, glasses and silverware to kitchen for cleaning. He serves foods and drinks to the customer. He informs customers about the day's specialty. He prepares tables by setting up liners, silverware and glasses. He always tries to provide the excellent communication skills to the customer. He also has some experience as a proven work experience as a waiter or waitress. He has excellent presentation skills. He always tries to interact with the customer. He has the flexibility to work in a shift. His salary is 10,000 taka. And the last one is owner himself. He has so many duties and responsibilities as he is the owner of Peri Pasta. So he tries to coordinate analysis and planning of restaurant profitability and sales levels. He assisted in the planning and management of menus, restaurant operation, coordinated monitoring of stock levels and ordering supplies as required. Though it is the best place for pasta in Mirpur area, still I have some recommendation for this restaurant. Basically, the space of this restaurant is so small, so I think the owner of this restaurant should think about it. The space should be increased. The Facebook page of Peri Pasta is not be maintained properly, so they should maintain or market it digitally so they can expand their business as well. There is no client knowledge base and client feedback system. Hence, the management of eating house ought to begin to introduce client knowledge bank and collect service feedback system. Peri Pasta should think of some unique facilities and services that may attract their new customers. And finally, I can say Peri Pasta is doing very well, but the competition is increasing continuously. Peri Pasta must take some measures to deal with the immense pressure. Overall, based on my present analysis, I can say the customers of Peri Pasta are really satisfied, and they are trying to. Thank you so much. That's all from me. Thank you.